PC for Free here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of this very large package from Huntkey. Basically, Huntkey manufacture power supplies. They're based in China, and they have very kindly agreed to send me this to review. Now, I believe this is the X7 900 watt power supply. Get it open. Yep. So you just see, here it is. Just turn the box upside down. The old trick. A little bit of styrofoam. Shows nicely packed. Let's have a closer look at the box itself. Just quickly remove this styrofoam. Okay. First of all, let's have a look at the back. The same 900 watts, 80 plus, silver certified, meaning it should be very nice and efficient. So their website is www.huntkeydiy.com. Power your dream. So inside we've got another black box, very nicely packaged, I must say. Here you might be able to see Huntkey Power Your Dream, the X7 here. Oh, very nice box. It's got some information here. Oh, sorry. On the lid, just telling us 2-year warranty. A couple of user tips, user's manual. Let's get the power supply itself up and up. Put some bubble wrap. Move this to the side. So here's the power supply. It's fairly heavy, as you'd expect. Here you can see the sleeved cables, and as you'll be able to see here, it's modular. So let's see what the cables come with it. Nice large fan on the top there, must be. Oh, so here's the supplied cables. Let's see how many voltage. So let's start off. 6-pin, another 6-pin, probably for PCI-e cards. It looks to be 2 SATA cables, Molex, and a 5-pin. SATA cables. Sorry, that 5-pin is going to be going in there. Got an 8-pin, 2 4-pins separate, so you obviously can join them into an 8-pin, and another is a 6+2 pin here, so you can get it into an 8-pin. Please stay tuned for the review. Big thanks to Huntkey for sending this out, and that'll be out soon.